big. I love Naveen Jain saying that if you know all the steps, I'm paraphrasing, if you know all the steps of how to get to your dream, then you're not dreaming big enough. Or you know, if your dream doesn't scare you a little bit, then it's not big enough. Hey, hi, I'm Angel. Thanks for stopping by. I'm up in the Foo Dog treehouse enjoying the sunset. I'm gonna put my rock star glasses back on because I like them. Anyway, I'm up here dreaming big. I dreamed big when I built this. This is a big dream come to completion, and it's rough. It was my first one of this type of mega sculpture, and then over. And also, by the way, if you'd like to learn more about this paper pummycrete and recycled glass method of construction that I've been playing with, I am developing some books and also got some projects coming on. So you could either learn through video, through book, or hands-on with me if you want to come volunteer. I'm trying to show you. Down there is the Head Hutt, which I have a whole picture book underway, just about to be published, so look for that in the description. And I have a bunch of videos on how I created that for your viewing pleasure. And all of this is in preparation for a global network of performing artist exchange programs, actually like unity buildings, to facilitate that program, as well as connect to other community centers. And my big dream is to help build at least 50 of these big amphitheater, amazing, iconic, long-lasting community center buildings, which will outlast me in my lifetime and will hopefully be the framework for a network of 500 or more community centers around the world, which will promote peace through performing arts. And that includes music and art and comedy, and all with a growth mindset, positivity umbrella, under that umbrella of finding what works best for the community that these centers are serving. Anyway, that's my big dream, and I'm super excited about it. And I just want to encourage you to dream big. There's, as they say, the sky's the limit. All the amazing things that we humans have done and are doing are the result of people dreaming outside of the scope of what other people might say is rational or reasonable or okay. So don't let anybody else's limitations or even your own sense of limitations keep you from dreaming big. And then if your dreams are outside the scope of your current belief system, you can actually change your beliefs, change your thoughts, change your behavior, change your outcome. That's what I've been working on now. I got a course called Overcoming Your Limiting Beliefs that is, there should be a link to that in the description below any minute now. Please check that out. Please let me know in the comments what your big dream is. I really want to know. Tell us. Just go for it. Don't hold back. Don't be scared. Like, what do you got to lose? You're just going to die eventually. And if you haven't at least pursued your big dreams, then you've just lost that, a lifetime of getting to pursue a big dream. There's really nothing better to do that I can think of than pursue your big dreams. Or at least have the balls to dream them, Spend some time dreaming them, decide if you want to pursue them. That's my 2 cents for today. I hope you are dreaming big and that all your big dreams are on their way to coming true. Till next time, I wish you peace, prosperity, sunsets, creativity, positivity, progress, and playfulness.